This is in regards to the COVID-19 spread, and it's wreaking havoc in India, really. These are the numbers coming through: 352,000 infections. This is the 5th day world record set in India, with more than 2,812 deaths coming through on this day only. Here's the context. India is just about 5,013 kilometers away from Kenya. That's one flight away of 6 hours and 23 minutes. And that's the reason why the Kenya COVID-19 National Emergency Response Committee has been forced to hold numerous meetings to avoid the after effects of the surge of COVID-19 cases in India. This comes as India's unfolding coronavirus crisis set a global record of new daily infections for a 5th straight day, as Raquel Muigai reports.
India is a country literally gasping for breath. It has now become the COVID-19 capital of the world. In just 3 days, over 1 million new cases of infections have been recorded. 352,991 new cases and 2,812 new deaths being in the last 24 hours. These funeral pyres blaze throughout the day and night. The brightness they bring not enough to light any hope among the living of ever lifting the shutters of desperation that are half down on India already. Delhi has been cremating so many bodies of COVID-19 victims that authorities are getting requests to start cutting down trees in city parks for kindling. Health authorities cite that one person dies in every 4 minutes. Furnaces have melted down from overuse, and additional funeral platforms are being built outside. Ironically, elections for legislative assemblies are still ongoing in some provinces, even with a surge in numbers. West Bengal state set to run its elections up until 29th April, despite concerns raised by local scientists over Bengal variant that is described as highly dangerous owing to its triple mutation.
For today being the last day of campaigns, we're all going virtual. So I would actually request people to stay indoors and take care of themselves.
Local media reports that the black market is now serving as a rescue platform for many who are seeking oxygen cylinders and concentrators owing to India's run-down and tattered public healthcare system. For those not able to cough up the exaggerated prices in the black market, social media is where a majority have pitched hopeful tents.
If I pick 100 posts from my feed, at least 95 of them will be about people looking for resources or people sharing resources.
It's not simply a medical crisis. At this point, it's also an emotional crisis.
The US has, however, promised to export raw materials to help India boost vaccine production, as countries like Germany, UK and Pakistan pledge to offer support. With there being no announcement from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, states are imposing restrictions as they deem fit. With the situation sending jitters across the globe, here in Kenya, officials from COVID-19 National Emergency Response Committee are looking for ways and what decisions to make to ensure the safety of Kenyans in India, as well as those here in Kenya. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV.